Hey YouTube, it's Sean. Well, today is a sad day. I decided to sell the little white Honda Accord, and I posted it online, and a guy came and bought it yesterday. So today is its day that it goes to its new home. And she has 163,000 miles on it. I can't open the door. It's not mine anymore. He just left it here overnight. Excuse me, it has 162,000 miles on it. You can't see the one there pretty well, but this car had an extremely clean interior. Everything works. Nothing wrong with it. And it's got good tires. So today is its day to go to a new home. Alright, just thought I'd bring you a short video. Hang on and we'll be right back. Alright YouTube, it's gone. There it goes. There goes the car. The last time I'll see it. They bought it and it's theirs now. I hope that they have fun with it. Wow, it's kind of sad for me because I've had that car a long time. There it goes. Last time I'll see it. Runs and drives really nice. It's a great car. Alright. That's the end of that car for now. We'll check you next time, guys. Love y'all. Thumbs up. Bye-bye.